Happy New Year, my fellow crafters! Our New Year project will be this beautiful leather couch. Let's get started. We will follow this pattern, which you can download for free in the description below. I'm using plywood with the thickness of 1.5 millimeter. We will start with the back cushion. Here I'm using a blanket fabric to fill up the cushion. When you apply the glue, make sure you avoid the holes. I'm using leather cutoffs for the couch. They're much cheaper than the whole piece of leather. We have to trim the edges and leave 5 millimeter around. Now we will cut off some little triangles around the edges. This way, when you glue the edges back on the cushion, the leather will sit way smoother. At each corner, cut a little strip instead of triangle. In order to make a clean corner, push the strip a bit harder. Now we are making dimples on the cushion. You want to pull tight for each stitch, so make sure you use stronger thread. So we'll go into each hole to make the whole pattern. To finish it, we will use glue to secure each stitch. Now we are going to cover the couch back with the leather piece. Again, we will cut some triangles as well. Leave the corners like that. Just in case when we glue the edges, we will cover up these 2 marks. So we have to remark it a little bit higher. Use the same method to cover up the couch leather bottom. Now we're making the bottom cushion. Cut 2 pieces of the blanket fabric. We'll line them up and glue onto the base. Again, this will be the same method. Now glue the back and bottom together. Use these 2 marks to line up with the bottom right and left. The back piece should be glued on the top of the bottom piece. Place it at a 90-degree angle, so when it dries, it is straight. Now we are moving on to the arms. I'm using 1 centimeter diameter wood dowel. I'm using a piece of paper to glue them together in order to shape the arms. When you glue them together, angle the dowel outward for each side. Glue the arms to the back and bottom pieces. Put more glue on the inside. After the arms are completely dry, we'll add the paddings onto it. Cut 1 for each arm. Cut 2 pieces of leather to cover up the arms. We will cut some small triangles around the dowel. Trace the outline of the arms onto the cardboard. After these 2 pieces of arm cover done, we glue onto the arms. Make sure you push it firmly. Attach the back cushion and the bottom cushion onto the body. Here I'm using a black leather string to finish the trims. Wooden pins for the legs. Color them black with a black marker to match the black trims. Here we finished. If you have any problem making it, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me to keep making new videos for you every week. I will see you next time.